Sorry.
Oops. Like, try and like bring it up with your fingers.
All the way over there.
You gonna come and show your collar? We got a new collar yesterday. Oh, you can't even see it. Oh. Yeah. What's he doing? What's Daddy doing? What's Daddy doing? Giddy up. Giddy up. I think it's too big, darling. Oh, you wanted to bring it? Oh. Watch your wee teeth. Oh.
Let's see if we can get it.
Oh, darling.
Hey, you coming? Eat your stick.
You're going to have to carry that for him. Go on. Put your back into it.
Go. Go on.
I honestly feel like we're walking around the wilderness.
There's no either way.
Hi. Hi. Good morning. Oh, it's a pretty face. So I'm only after receiving a package, so let's open it. Oh dear. So usually whenever I receive PR, which is rare, I usually don't like to read or see where it's from, so it's a complete surprise. Ooh. Oh, these are going to be really handy for whenever I go to Bali. So I'm guessing this is Skin Bride's new travel size range of body care and hair care. So I have a hydrating conditioner and a hydrating shampoo and a wee body cleanser. Awesome. Oh, these are a really good size too, actually. Awesome. 60ml. Cleanses, intensely nourishes, and hydrates. Nice. Look at that, Stanley. Do you want to smell? It smells nice, doesn't it? Alright. I thought I would show you this wee package I got about a couple of months ago. And don't worry, this portion isn't sponsored or anything. I wish it was. But honestly, it's not sponsored. I wasn't even asked to do this or show you this. I was literally just kindly sent this and gifted this. But it's a brand called Commodity, and they sent me this exploration kit, and it's a load of perfume samples. They're just like your wee standard wee spritzers of samples that you get. As you can see, like, this is the kit that you do get. I'm not too sure how much it is, but it's really, really handy. So you actually get to explore and experience all the scents within the collections. And as you can see, we have 3 rows here. The light row is actually like a lighter fragrance and quite subtle. Then the middle row, the scent is a wee bit more stronger but not as overpowering. And then the top ones are a really strong room filling fragrance, to the point where you only need like 1-2 squirts. I can't actually remember like what ones are my favorite, because I've obviously been using these for the past like couple of months. And do you know something, actually? Me and Kyle both have been using them. That's how nice they are, because they're actually quite versatile. There's quite a lot of fragrances or scents that are kind of like unisex, because I know that I was wearing one and he was really complimenting it, and he wore it the next day, and you wouldn't have known that it was like a man's perfume or a man's fragrance or a woman's fragrance, if that makes sense. But I think it's either Paper or Book. The names of them are really funny, by the way. We have Paper, Book, Velvet, Moss, Gold, and Milk. So I think when it's actually Paper and Book, they were definitely his favourites. I think he's actually going to be going onto the website and actually buying the full size of the Paper and Book one, or one or the other. But I think Velvet and Gold were definitely my favourites. I also thought it was really nice whenever I got them as well, because I was able to go through all the different scents and actually spray them on the wee booklets that you get in Boots or something. So I was then able to spritz. Oh, sorry, darling. Was that spraying in your eyes? Oh my god, your eyes are bad enough. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I'm going to have a blind cat. I obviously wrote the names of the scents or the perfumes on this, so I was able to kind of come back to it and know what scent was what. And I kind of find that whenever a scent or a fragrance sells, that's whenever you're able to get like the true notes from it. So this one was Velvet, and it's got the gold writing, so it's the strongest. And it smells really nice, but there's definitely like a masculine scent to it as well. But honestly, they're so nice. So I've actually been going through the wee booklet, because I'm definitely wanting to see if Kyle's wanting to buy himself a full size one, I may as well I may as well too. So that's what the full size bottles look like as well, by the way. Really nice, actually. I initially was like, do you know what, I'm going to save this for Bali and take all these wee scents with me, and that'll do. It'll save me taking like a big bottle of perfume. No. I couldn't resist and I couldn't contain myself. But honestly, the scents are so nice. They definitely do have quite a different undertone. Does that make sense in the land of fragrance? I don't know. Like notes, I suppose it's notes, right? Yeah, some of them do have really different notes to them. Like for example, moss. Moss was very mossy. Does that make sense? I don't know, very earthy. And these are the only 3 that I have left. I'm gonna use the Velvet one. What way does it go? So yeah, I'll link that all down below actually, and you can go and have a wee nosy. Honestly, so handy, even as a gift or a present for somebody. And of course it comes beautifully packaged as well. As I say, it just comes like this, in this wee compact box. I'll obviously link and list all of that below, but also thank you so much to Commodity for gifting me this. Honestly, absolutely beautiful. Kyle will definitely be going on and buying a full size of one of those. She doesn't want to be held.